Hello everyone, it's the day 3rd of my 1000 skips a day challenge. So before doing any exercise or warm-ups, it's very necessary to hydrate your body as this will avoid any stomach cramps. So tip number 1, always try to activate your muscles before doing workouts. So at this time, my core muscle or main muscle is this leg, calves, thighs. So I'm trying to activate this portion, my calves and my thighs, as by activating this, my whole leg will be free. While doing 1000 skips a day challenge, never forget your upper body as it plays an important role. Gently press your chest against this inclined wall or stairs, as this will increase your stamina. More the stamina, more you can jump the skips. If possible, do push-ups or inclined push-up with your fingers, as this will increase the strength of your fingers. Nice and steady, slow and steady. Always try to achieve 1% more than what you can do. If you are doing 5, always try to do 6. Always try to push yourself. If you are capable of doing 5 or 6 push-ups, then always try to do 1 extra or 2 extra. Because if you are comfortable with declined push-ups, just give it a try. So I have completed my warm-ups and it's time for skippings. After 600 skips, my toes, calves and thighs are aching, but this is the point where your muscle grows. This is the critical point or threshold point where your calves, thighs and overall your body will tone up. If after doing some skips, maybe 100, 30, 40, 60, 600, 700, if your legs are paining or there's a cramp in your calves, then leave skipping part there, and for 30 seconds or 1 minute, always try to do these type of legs relaxing warm-ups. If your body heats too much, then avoid any extra layer of cloth and try to remove that extra layer so that your body can cools down. So I have completed 600 skips and now left with 400. It's time. So I have completed 700 skips and now almost 90% exhausted. But anyhow, my goal is to achieve 1000 skips. So 700 completed, left with only 300. जब तक तोड़ेंगे नहीं तब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं. 800 completed, 200 more. completed. So I have completed 900 skips and left with 100 more. The last 100 skips are the most difficult one, but you have to achieve that anyhow. By 900 completed, only left with 100. Let's do it. So I completed 1000 skips. My task completed for today, but I'll do 50 more. जब तक तोड़ेंगे नहीं तब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं. Let's do it. So today I have completed 1100 skips, which is 100 more than the remaining days. So after doing 1000 or 1100 skips, this is how my calves or legs looks like. Nice, in shape, defined, lean. So now I have completed my 1000 skips a day task, and now I'm heading towards my home.